Sammy Blais skates to the loose puck. 3-on-2 for the Rangers across the line. Blais with a return. Trouba, side of the net. Score! On a pass from Trouba. Goodrow was waiting for it, but the Ranger capped it with a terrific touch pass. We're tied at 1.
Colorado gets burned on a long shift. They're dead tired, and when Rodriguez passes to Girard, they're going to change. Newhook and Girard are 50 feet behind the puck. You see Lehkonen coming on the ice. They can't get back in the play. It's like a practice 3-on-2. There's all kinds of room. Trouba slides it across, and from a sharp angle, Barclay Goodrow is able to squeeze this past Alexander Georgiev for his second of the year, and it's 1-1.